Once a term used just by the military to describe a pilot's operational status and knowledge of immediate threats, situational awareness has become a risk management strategy and technology framework with broad applications in any environment. Here to tell us how his company is leading the way in protecting people and property is Mike McLeod, president of Status Solutions. Mike, welcome.
Thank you. I'm glad to be here.
Well, Mike, you founded Status Solutions back in 2001. What was the motivation?
The motivation was that bad things can happen to good people, and some of those bad things are driven by ignorance of them being in motion. So we started Status Solutions to create situational awareness to displace and to refute the notion that ignorance is bliss.
So how do you define situational awareness as it applies to an organization?
Situational awareness is a very broad topic, but we put it into four main buckets. Those things that can cause loss of life, those things that can cause loss of property, loss of business, or loss of convenience. When you're doing risk management and loss prevention, the key is becoming aware of a situation that you were previously ignorant to, because what you don't know can be very expensive and very damaging.
Now, you've explained what situational awareness is and does, but how does a company go about actually achieving it?
Well, you start with thinking through the risks and what keeps you awake at night. Our mission at Status Solutions is to defeat ignorance-based loss. So the hardest part of a big job is getting started. So you have to prioritize those risks and then act to turn situational ignorance into situational awareness. And that's what our technology does. We're a very verb-based business. Read, hear, see, do. What do you need to know? As I say many times, we don't care what you want to know. We don't care why you want to know. We only care that you want to know and that there's risk associated with not knowing.
We've been speaking with Mike McLeod of Status Solutions. See how Mike and his team can help your organization by visiting statussolutions.com.